Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk how to cancel Cyberghost subscription. Okay, so first of all, what you have to do, you need to keep the something in your mind, like you can cancel your subscription only where you have originally purchased. Okay, so in this video I'm going to provide you two methods, one for Android user, second for iOS user. Okay, first of all, you need to open your Android Play Store and you need to tap on your profile. Now you need to select payment and subscription. Now you need to select subscription. Now you need to find your Cyberghost app in the list of your all active subscriptions, and then you can cancel your subscription by following on screen instructions. Okay, now if you have taken your subscription from your iPhone device, you need to open your iPhone settings and then you need to tap on your Apple ID and then you need to select subscription. Now you need to select your app, your CyberGhost app. Now you need to follow the on screen instructions and you can cancel your subscription very easily. Okay, so by using these two ways you can cancel your subscription. If you want to get a refund, you need to contact Apple or Google Play customer support, then they will only give you refunds. There is no other method to get refunds. Okay, but they have also some kind of policies. You need to read their policies, in which policy you can get full refund. Okay, so these are the terms and conditions. Now if you have any other questions, you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye, take care.